The automotive world thrives on dreamers.
These are the visionaries who see beyond the present, who imagine a future where the impossible becomes possible. They are the ones who push the boundaries of technology and design, creating machines that not only perform, but also inspire. People who dare to imagine machines that defy limits. They are the architects of innovation, constantly challenging the status quo and redefining what a car can be. Their work is a blend of art and science, where every line and curve is meticulously crafted to achieve perfection. Horacio Pagani is one such dreamer. Born in Argentina, Pagani's passion for cars was evident from a young age. He moved to Italy, the heart of automotive excellence, to pursue his dreams. With a relentless drive and an eye for detail, he carved a niche for himself in the competitive world of supercars. From humble beginnings, he built a brand synonymous with art on wheels. His journey was not without challenges, but his unwavering dedication and innovative spirit set him apart. Pagani's cars are not just vehicles, they are masterpieces, each telling a story of passion, precision and performance. Cars like the Zonda and Huira redefine performance and exclusivity. These models are celebrated for their breathtaking design and engineering excellence. The Zonda, with its aggressive stance and powerful engine, became an icon in the automotive world. The Huayra, named after an ancient Andean god of wind, took things a step further with its advanced aerodynamics and luxurious interiors. But the story doesn't end there. Pagani's quest for perfection is a continuous journey. Each new model is a testament to his commitment to pushing the envelope and exploring new frontiers in automotive design and performance. This is where the Pagani Utopia comes in. The Utopia is not just a car, it's a vision brought to life. It represents the culmination of years of research, development, and a deep understanding of what makes a car truly exceptional. The Utopia is designed to offer an unparalleled driving experience, one that connects the driver to the road in a way that few cars can. A car born from a desire to recapture the essence of driving purity. In an age where technology often overshadows the driving experience, the Utopia brings back the joy of driving. It's about feeling the road, the thrill of acceleration, and the satisfaction of mastering a machine that responds to your every command. The Utopia isn't just another supercar, it's a statement, a declaration that driving is not just about getting from point A to point B, but about the journey itself. It's about the emotions, the adrenaline, and the connection between man and machine. The Utopia embodies this philosophy, offering a driving experience that is both exhilarating and deeply personal. A testament to the belief that driving should be an experience. Every detail of the Utopia is designed to enhance this experience, from the ergonomically crafted seats to the intuitive controls. It's a car that invites you to become one with it, to feel every nuance of the road and to revel in the sheer joy of driving. A connection between man and machine. This bond is what sets the Utopia apart. It's not just about speed or power, it's about the harmony between the driver and the car. The Utopia responds to your inputs with precision, making you feel in control and connected to the road like never before. One that stirs the soul and quickens the pulse. The Utopia is designed to evoke emotions, to make every drive an unforgettable experience. Whether you're cruising on a highway or pushing the limits on a racetrack, the Utopia delivers a performance that is both thrilling and refined. It's a heavy legacy to carry, even for a brand like Pagani. The expectations are high and the pressure to innovate is constant. But Pagani thrives on these challenges, using them as fuel to create cars that are not only beautiful, but also groundbreaking in their performance and technology. But then again, legends are built by embracing challenges. The Utopia is a testament to this spirit. It's a car that embodies the essence of Pagani's philosophy, combining art, science, and passion to create something truly extraordinary. The journey to create the Utopia was filled with obstacles, but it is these very challenges that have shaped it into the masterpiece it is today. Every masterpiece starts with a vision. For the Utopia, it began with a simple sketch. Horacio's hand, guided by years of experience, brought to life the curves and lines. The design harkened back to the golden age of sports cars, elegant and timeless, yet undeniably modern. But this was more than just aesthetics. It was about function dictating form. Every curve, every intake served a purpose: to enhance aerodynamics, to optimize performance, to create a car that was as beautiful to look at as it was exhilarating to drive. The Utopia wasn't just being drawn, it was being sculpted. Building a car like the Utopia requires more than just steel and glass. It demands materials as exotic as its performance. Carbon fiber, woven into intricate patterns, forms the car's lightweight yet incredibly strong chassis. Titanium, known for its strength-to-weight ratio, is used in critical components, but the pursuit of perfection goes beyond just sourcing the best materials. It's about how they are used. Pagani's engineers spent countless hours refining the layup of the carbon fiber, each layer meticulously placed to maximize strength and minimize weight. It's this obsessive attention to detail that sets the Utopia apart. In an age of mass production, the Pagani Utopia stands as a testament to hand-built excellence. Every car is painstakingly assembled by skilled artisans. Their hands, guided by years of experience, shape and mold each component. From the hand-stitched leather interior to the perfectly polished engine components, no detail is overlooked. It's this level of craftsmanship that elevates the Utopia from a machine to a work of art. Each car is a reflection of the passion and dedication poured into its creation. Creating something as groundbreaking as the Utopia is never easy. The team faced numerous engineering challenges. Aerodynamics had to be perfected to keep the car glued to the road at high speeds. The engine, a symphony of power and precision, had to meet stringent emissions standards without sacrificing performance. But the Pagani team persevered. They pushed the boundaries of what was possible. Innovative solutions were found, new technologies were developed. Through it all, their commitment to Horatio's vision never wavered. And in the end, they emerged victorious, having overcome every obstacle in their path. Section 6, a symphony of innovation features that define a new era. In the world of automotive excellence, few names resonate as profoundly as Pagani. With each new model, they push the boundaries of what is possible, blending art and engineering into a seamless whole. The latest marvel to emerge from their workshop is the Pagani Utopia, a car that truly defines a new era of innovation and performance. The Pagani Utopia isn't just a pretty face. Its design is a testament to the meticulous craftsmanship and visionary thinking that goes into every Pagani vehicle. From the sleek lines of its bodywork to the intricate details of its headlights, every element has been carefully considered to create a harmonious and striking appearance. It's packed with cutting-edge technology. The dashboard is a marvel of modern engineering, featuring the latest in digital displays and user interfaces. Every button, every switch is designed to provide the driver with intuitive control over the car's many advanced systems. This is not just a car, it's a technological masterpiece on wheels. The heart of the beast is a bespoke V12 engine developed in collaboration with Mercedes-AMG. This powerhouse of an engine is not only a feat of engineering, but also a work of art. Each component has been meticulously crafted to deliver unparalleled performance and reliability. The engine's roar is a symphony of power, a testament to the incredible engineering that lies beneath the hood. It roars with an intoxicating symphony of power, capable of propelling the car to breathtaking speeds. The Utopia is not just about raw power, though. It's about the experience of driving a machine that responds to your every command with precision.